I'm Karen Castillo with North Carolina Prevention Partners, and we are at a celebration that is changing the culture of wellness.
This is a 2-ounce patty that has only 2 grams of fat.
Hundreds of people gathering at Johnson & Wales University for an unprecedented event hosted by North Carolina Prevention Partners.
It's cut to the core. It's the culmination of a 3-year project in working with all of North Carolina's hospitals to create a healthy food environment so that employees can have access to healthy food and to really think about changing the entire culture of the healthcare system so that it is not just taking care of sick people, but that it is actually creating health.
Good food is the core to great health, and these teams from area hospitals are proving it. They're dicing and slicing for a culinary competition called Cut to the Core. The competition includes 7 North Carolina healthcare organizations devoted to ensuring healthy food can still be delicious. These teams have been working hard for months. They've been redesigning menus and marketing. It's a real commitment to supporting the health of their staff and patients. Sanctioned by the American Culinary Federation and under the Red Apple program, the Cut to the Core competition was a mouth-watering and healthy way to commend all of this hard work.
We became involved because Sodexo has a commitment towards health and wellness. We feed 10 million customers every day in this country, so we have a huge opportunity to make an impact on something that's very important to the health of our total population.
Top chefs from more than a dozen healthcare organizations across North Carolina created their most delectable dishes to be sampled by ACF judges.
They were given some nutritional guidelines that each one of their courses had to meet. And one of the things that I'm doing is I'm looking at their ingredients and how they specified those ingredients and how that matches up with the nutritional analysis that they provided.
As a judge, first and foremost, we're looking for delicious food. That's number one, regardless of what any of the other criteria are. If it's not delicious, there's no point in doing it.
North Carolina Prevention Partners says hospitals have been leaders in prevention. Former North Carolina Panther and keynote speaker Mike Rucker says these hospitals are becoming the model of a healthier community.
I just thought that was awesome. We've talked about it a lot in today's society, staying active and hey, eat healthy, and that's great, but I feel like today is really digging deep into it, taking the next step and to really, what's that look like, or how do you do that?
Reassuring people that healthy is flavorful, each team showcased their calorie control techniques to an audience. And which team took the cake or the red apple? The Black Hat chefs made up of UNC Hospital and Rex Healthcare staff. You know, it really is a clear-cut choice, and that's why other hospitals are now following, to provide food that is good-looking, affordable, and tasty. I'm Karen Castillo for the North Carolina Prevention Partners.